What's up, YouTube? Brothers, sisters, mothers, fathers, aunts, uncles, nieces, nephews, in laws, outlaws, and our friends with paws. Welcome to class. What I have here is a stummel. It's only stamped imported briar. This came in a group of 24 pipes we picked up at a estate sale. Anyways, yeah, she got a crack in the shank. Yeah, I might be able to. Where to go? Okay, right there. So, we're gonna fix it. I got the epoxy. I'm gonna stick that pin in airway. Spread it apart, get the epoxy in there, then we're gonna clamp it down. And then while that's drying, I'm gonna order a band for it. .9 millimeters. Let me turn this around in here. And it goes down to 11.8. That's pretty close. So, pull up the old iPad here. And we go to Vermont Freehand. Drinking coffee. Not smoking. Y'all know why. Let's see. Supplies. Yeah. Bands. Nickel bands, silver bands, gold bands. Since this is not a high-end pipe, we're going to go with nickel bands. Do. Choose a size. Okay, that was 11 point whatever. Let me do that again. Zero it out. $11.9. So we're gonna order up an 11 millimeter band for it. And it's 11 length. See if they got a long one. They don't have a long one in stock. So we'll go with the short one. Okay, got that one. Okay. So I'm going to stop this here. We're going to move over to the other bench where we'll work the epoxy into this and get it set up in the vise to clamp it shut. And wait for the band to come in. And then we're going to have to sand the shank down enough to get a tight fit on the band. So we're going to stop this here, and I'll be back later when I move over there and show you the epoxy work. Every day's a school day. If you're not learning, you're being left behind.